Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by writing the number in standard form so the log table applies. This gives you the characteristic and mantissa. First, determine the integer part for the characteristic. Move the decimal point and count places to set the power of 10. Once done, isolate the mantissa. Use the first two significant digits and the next digit for the table row and column. Make sure to note whether you need common log or natural log table. This method uses base 10 tables. You now read the table. Locate the row by the first two significant digits and the column by the third digit. This yields the base mantissa. If your number has more digits, perform linear interpolation. Compute the difference per unit between adjacent column entries and multiply by the extra digit fraction. Explain why. Interpolation refines accuracy when table resolution is limited. Once you calculate the correction, add it to the base mantissa to get you finish by combining the characteristic integer with the mantissa decimal to form the final log value. Write it as characteristic mantissa. Then verify, raise 10 to that log and confirm it approximates the original number, which checks both decimal shifting and interpolation. If results look off, re-examine the decimal point shifts. Ensure you use the correct row/column digits and redo interpolation step carefully. Small digit mistakes cause the largest errors, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.